Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to transfer an NFT asset. But first of all, you're gonna have to connect to your wallet. To be able to connect your wallet, you're gonna have to click the connect icon on the top right. And after that, as you can see, we have three wallets that we can connect to. Metapro wallet, which is our wallet, MetaMask wallet, and any wallet connect. I'm gonna be using Metapro. So as you can see, now I have to open the Metapro wallet mobile app and tap on the top right a chain icon to scan the QR code. So I'm going to do that. Now I have to click connect, enter my passcode, click Web3 login, click sign, and as you can see, I am now logged in. So now that you are logged into your account, we can start transferring the NFT. So first of all, we're gonna have to click over here, then go on to NFT and click transfer. And here you can choose your asset. I'm gonna be using the Metadude blue t-shirt. And as you can see here, we have to put in an address. The supply, I'm gonna put in 1 here. And you can also write down the token ID if you want to, but that's optional. And after you've done all that, you can just click send. Then I will have to sign the transaction on my phone. Then I'm gonna have to put in my passcode. And now we wait. Okay, so as you can see, it is not loading in. So if something like this happens, you can just refresh and let's just wait for it to refresh. And now we can just go here, click on profile, and then click on activities. And as you can see, even though it didn't say that we did the transaction yet, you can see it has been transferred from one account to another. As you can see here, the token ID, and it was a minute ago.